All right. So with that all being said, we've done an absolute ton here. This is 1000% a project you should push up to your GitHub repo. And this is 1000% a project that if you made it this far, you should be incredibly proud of yourself. This is the hardest, most complicated, most advanced project in this course. And to be honest, probably the most advanced project you'll work on in almost all of Web3. There's so much going on here. We learned about DeFi. We learned about advanced state-of-the-art modern fuzzing techniques. We learned a tiny bit about security. We used oracles in a safer way. We wrote this crazy, amazing test suite. We wrote deploy scripts for this. We interacted with a couple different libraries. We learned about this fail on revert, runs, depths, and variance. The only thing we didn't do was write a proper README, which you 100% should write a proper README. And if you want, you can check out the Foundry DeFi stablecoin README to see how it actually works, of course. Even for me, this was a long, difficult project for me to build because there's just so much to think about. Like I said, this is a project that I am planning on getting audited. So what you're going to see in this repo is you're going to see kind of this main branch, which is what you're going to be working on. But I'm additionally going to make a new branch called like audited or post audit or something like that. And if you want to follow and watch this GitHub repo, you can see the progress and you can see the audit reports that come out on here so that you can be intimately familiar with this code base already because you wrote some of the code, and then also see as it progresses through its security journey. And for those of you who are looking to actually release production code, you definitely need to be at least aware of how security works and the security paths that your code should take. But all right, with all of this being said, you know what time it is. It's time for you to get a break. You deserve it. You should 100% go take a lap, push this code base up to GitHub, and actually clean it up a little bit. I'm going to be cleaning this up a little bit before I push the rest of it to this GitHub repo. So you should clean it up a little bit. Make it yours. Make it the way that you want to make it. Maybe even improve on it, right? We saw with the invariant test that there is at least one other glaring issue with this protocol. If the price of the assets collapse too quickly, our protocol becomes insolvent. So maybe you come up with a method to fix it. And then maybe you launch your own stablecoin. Why not, right? In any case, good luck to you. Take that break. We're getting so close. We only have 1, 2, 3 more lessons. And these ones are actually easier than the one we just did. We're going to learn about upgrades and proxies. We're going to learn about governance. And then we're going to do an introduction to smart contract security. These are much easier than everything you've done so far. So take the break, give yourself a pat on the back, be incredibly excited, celebrate this win. This is a huge achievement getting this far, and I'll see you very soon. 3 more left.